students and my dearest friends in class 10th. 49 students of class 10th are going to appear for the board exams starting from the end of this month. Today, we have once again gathered in this hall to pray for them, to wish them good luck, and to make them feel that they are safe in the protective hands of Almighty. Many years before, you came to this institution with your parents, weeping all the time, having small water bottles around your neck, and with a small school bag. You were very small, unwilling to go away from the love and care of your parents, but slowly you made many friends. You never knew that you are growing. Years passed. Today, you are leaving this institution. Don't weep over since your school life is over, but smile since it has happened here, Christ School Nambedi. Let's begin this prayer session with prayer song.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु
कुतोदरम अदनसे कुतो मित्रम अमित्रसे कुतो सुखम means the one who is lazy and does not put in efforts is unable to acquire knowledge. Wealth does not come to the one without knowledge and qualification. In such bad times, one cannot make good friends and happiness is far away from them.
Gospel according to St. John, chapter 8, verse 12. Again Jesus spoke to them, saying, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. God is the true knowledge and true light. The ignorance is the darkness. So, those who walk in the true light will receive the true knowledge, that is God. So let us aspire for the true knowledge from God.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह की पनाह मांगती हूँ शैतान मरदूद से। शुरू करती हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा ही मेहरबान और रहम वाला है। तलबुल इल्मु फरीज़तन अला कुल्ली मुस्लिम व मुस्लिमा अतलबुल इल्मु वलौ काना बिस्सीन। इल्म सीखना हर मुसलमान मर्द औरत पर फर्ज है। इल्म हासिल करो अगरचे जाना पड़े चीन तुम्हें। Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace for upon him, said, acquisition of knowledge is must on every Muslim, both men and women, without any discrimination. Narrated by Prophet Muhammad at another place that acquire knowledge, even if you have to go to China.
You are not alone. There are so many people to pray for even, though they are not present here today. It's the time to express a special word of thanks to all the from your teacher, from your school, and can change you the world around you. Getting a pen from your guru is a blessing you receive.
ज्योति दे भगवान, ज्योति दे भगवान।
I request all the teachers, please stand up. All the teachers, please raise bow your head and in a prayerful manner stand. The teachers are giving you the final blessings and final prayer for you. Most loving God, you are the source and fullness of wisdom. Bless your children today and all the days to come. Fill their mind with your divine light. Give them more concentration in their studies. Lord, help them to organize their ideas orderly when they appear for the exams. Give them calmness of
struggle and its strive and to improve their worth. Lord, give them this courage to those choose the proper path wherever they may go. God, may grant you the grace to understand eternal truth and to know the right of and from the wrong. May you grow in character. On the behalf of all the teachers, we
समा पाएंगे या ना पाएंगे. I will not go to details to describe how amazing seniors you have been. Class 9th and 10th has shown an inexplainable bond. We have learned a lot from you, as many of you inspired us in different ways. We have celebrated each festival together. You have helped us in every function, especially for dance. Hard work and commitment are two, which help us to get our designation. We all came from different backgrounds and look same as we wear the same uniform. Smile you and always help you in every situation. But this time we have set you free like in the bird. So go and hunt your dream.
For lifetime. So, to represent this, I would like to invite Gulnaz Akhtar from class 9th to express these emotions through a song.
ये सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे हाथ से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना. याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो.
Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends, warm greetings to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you all for gathering here for the celebration of the last day of our school. Most of us joined this school since we are around 3 to 4 years old, which makes approximately 15 to 16-year-old spent in this school. In this school, 12 years, we have never thought that we will someday approach a day when we would stand like this and bid goodbye to our beloved father, teachers and all dear students. First and foremost, I would like to thank our principal, Father Mani, who has always portrayed the image of highly disciplined personality, yet so kind and humble. Sir, I must acknowledge that we must learn the most important lesson of life from you, that is to be disciplined and self-restrained. I always said that this is just a chapter of our life which get closed and the new chapter of life begins. We have studied and grown up at this school and are standing here today all set to enter the new phase of our life. Thank you is a very small word. The kindness and gesture our principal, vice principal and teachers have shown to us is incomparable. And we promise that we will land the new world with positive approach and attitude. We will forever represent ourselves as the good messenger of this lovely school so that all the teachers can feel proud of us. All the teachers that taught us from small classes, I thanks all of them. Having said that, I also remember our class teacher, Miss Raya ma'am, always used to say, we should not think about our future. We should, in fact, only be prepared for the future and do well in the present to secure our future. Ma'am, we would always miss and remember your precious lesson and moral values of you. I also do remember mischievous activities that we have done in this school. Bunking classes without any reason. I remember the naughty activities that we had done in 9th class. 9th class, while Chetan sir was teaching math, we were eating food and making fun of each other. 9th class is one of the best and enjoyable class. I also remember the dialogue of Ram sir for boys because they were making so much noise that list बन रही है बड़े फादर जी के पास जाएगी. Sir, I will miss this dialogue in my life. One of the strict teacher in our school is Manisha ma'am. Even if we didn't learn any other subject, but we must learn Hindi. As we are studying in 3rd class, ma'am, you taught us Hindi and we all remember essay, Meri pencil, and for this all of us got many beads. Our vice principal Father Martin, who teaches us English, we always remember the imposition that you given to us, especially in grammar, topic, auxiliary verbs. Father, you have given so many opportunities to us. You have given many challenges to our class for participation in function in last moment, but we think that we had completed it with great enthusiasm. Our 9th class teacher Ankur sir, who had also given so many opportunities to us. Sir, you had given importance to each and every student in our class. Sir, you and Father Martin both has reduced our stage fear, and also we will miss the entertainment that we have done with you, especially Holi. One of the purest hearted teacher in the school is Sheetal ma'am, who teaches us English, Hindi in 7th, 8th and 9th class. Whenever ma'am have taken our test, either girls got less marks. She never punishes, but always punishing boys and insult them. I would especially like to thank our PTI teacher, Miss Usha ma'am, for her constant support in mending us physically and mentally. As about our class is one of the best class in the school. Sometimes when teacher come to our class and ask, have you prepared the test? If not, you can go out from the class. Most of students, especially boys, without saying a single word, simply they went out. But I will miss my class. We all have enjoyed a lot. Sometimes when teacher is teaching, some of the students might argue with the teacher on blundering, but it always made a funny moment in the class. I will miss all these funny moments. Of course, I can't forget the friends, the super girls of my life. Friends are the special God gives, so I don't ever forget you, dear ones. School is like a big family, which I am going to leave now. We will all miss organizing the cultural and sport events in the school. The after-school rehearsal for annual function were the best as they brought students of different classes together. But before ending this, I would like to thank once again to all our teachers for helping us and being our mentors. We have troubled them many times, but we will not their students anymore. We all miss them. We all miss our batchmates as we were each other first friends and have shared the carefree days of our lives together. I would like to thank all the staff members, principals and all my dear friends. Thank you for giving us this farewell and making our last day memorable. In the end, I would like to say that you all were clearly loved and will be missed. This is the best school for me and I am glad to have studied here. We will come to this school but as outsiders from today. Thank you for this wonderful farewell and memories to cherish for the rest of our lives. Thank you.
For attendance. From boys, can you guess who would be the... It is not Ankush. Rajan Sudhar. Rajan, please come on. Very good. Akriti. Next we have the award for the academic excellence. From boys, I would like to call upon Dheeraj. From girls side, one more award is waiting. That is the best character as well as the best outgoing student. Can you guess? Yeah, this chance is given to the girls. Let them select the best outgoing boy. Any guess from you? Yes, it is Ankush Sharma from boys side. Captain, you can select the best character from the girl side because you know them more than 10 years. So you can. I am asking you about the girls, not about Dipanshi. Any other option? Tannu Kajuria.
Congratulations to all the award winners.
बाहसुर जनाब प्रिंसिपल साहब फादर मानी वाइस प्रिंसिपल फादर मार्टिन और वह दीगर उस्ताद साहिबान और मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सबको देख के यहाँ बहुत खुशी हो रही है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आप सबका यहाँ खैर मकदम करती हूँ कि आपने इस महफिल में शिरकत करके हमारी महफिल को चार चांद लगा दी और हमारी ये जो नन्ही नन्ही कलियाँ थी आज फूल बन के यहाँ से निकल रही हैं, तो उनकी ब्लेसिंग के लिए, उनकी दुआ के लिए आप यहाँ आए। आप सबका मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ और हमेशा करती भी रहूँगी। तो साथ ही आप सबको पहले गुड आफ्टरनून। तो आज जो दिन है ये आप सभी अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि ये दिन बहुत दुख भरा भी है और खुशियों वाला भी है। दुख भरा इसलिए है कि आज से कम 14 साल 12 साल पहले ये बच्चे यहाँ आए और यहाँ जब ये बच्चे आए थे शायद इनको अपना नाम भी अच्छी तरह से बोलना नहीं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे जो ये वक्त गुजरता गया, वक्त के साथ साथ बच्चे बड़े होते गए, टीचर्स बदलते रहे, नई नई बातें सीखते रहे बच्चे, और आज ये यहाँ से कामयाबी की पहली सीढ़ी पार करने जा रहे हैं, जो हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है। इस बात को लेके मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ। दुख तो इस बात का मैंने पहले बता दिया कि ये जहाँ से जा रहे हैं, ये सिर्फ यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, हमारे क्राइस्ट स्कूल से जा रहे हैं और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं अपनी कामयाबी की तरफ। कामयाबी पहली स्टेज दी, एजुकेशन दी, तो आज आप, मुझे लगता है कि भंडार बन गए हो, नॉलेज का भंडार बन गए हो। मुझे लगता ही नहीं है बल्कि ऐसा है। तो इस पे मैं शेयर्स करूंगी। रोशनी जला के रख दी दिए की, रोशनी जला के रख दी दिए की। अब ये कहता है कि कौन इससे रोशनी देगा। सरेआम हमने जला के दिया, चौखट में रख दिया। तो मैं यही कहूँगी कि साथ ही मैं एक छोटी सी दुआ के साथ ये कहती हूँ कि मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर। मिल जाए आपको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर। हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर। सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गई, सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गई। दुनिया आपकी बदल दे वो सजदा तलाश कर। से आमीन। तोहफे में आपको कसम खुदा की समंदर देती। वो ही इंसान मुस्तकबिल में कामयाब होते हैं जो सबसे पहले शुक्रगुजार होते हैं जिसने हमें पैदा किया, मीन्स खुदा। उसके बाद हमारे पेरेंट्स जो हमारे यहाँ दुनिया में लाने के लिए सोर्स बने, यानी कि जरिया बने। उसके बाद जिन्होंने हमें दुनिया की रोशनी दिखाई वो स्पेशल पर्सन्स होते हैं, आपके उस्ताद। तो जो लोग इनकी इज्जत करते हैं और जो हमेशा करते रहते हैं आगे तक, वही लोग अपनी कामयाबी की तरफ बढ़ते हैं और कामयाबी की उस मंजिल को पाते हैं जो लोग देखते ही उनको एक सुकून भरी आह भर के और वाह वाह करके होते हैं कि हाँ ये भला बच्चा है, इस स्कूल से आया है, उस उस्ताद साहिबान से पढ़ के आया है, भला पेरेंट्स का बच्चा है जी। देखो आज किस तरह आसमान की बुलंदियों को छू रहा है।
Remember, the first class of your life, first day.
सभी टीचर्स ने मुझे बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाया। राहुल सर, उमंग मैम, देन मनीषा मैम, कोमल मैम, सभी टीचर्स, संजू मैम, चेतन सर, राम सर को तो कभी भूल नहीं सकते। सबसे पहले उन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाया और सभी टीचर्स ने मेहनत की मेरे साथ। सर जीती, ये भी सर जो भी सहमत भी थी, जब ये चले गए थे, बहुत कुछ सीखा इनसे, सिंड्रेला मैम से बहुत कुछ सीखा। ये सहमत में she is very honest in her work, so she always motivates me to achieve my success.
Worthy fathers, respected colleagues and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. किसी ना किसी तरह से स्पेशल हो, मैं जिसकी तरफ ही देखता हूँ मुझे कोई ना कोई इंसिडेंट जरूर याद आता है। सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बोलूँगा कि आप सारे ब्लेस्ड हो कि आप फादर्स के अंडर पढ़ रहे हो, एक अच्छे स्कूल भी सीख रहे हो। इन फादर्स की वजह से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। अदरवाइज कहने आज का क्वेश्चन जल्दी सर ये तो मेरा ठीक था, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स भी हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे नहीं, बल्कि जब आगे पीछे घर पे या ट्यूशन पे कहीं पे।
It's a time to choose Mr. and Miss Christ School. Now, any guess from class 9 who is Mr. Christ? As I also told that all of you are looking gorgeous, beautiful and handsome. For why is it handsome? But because it is a ritual or tradition, we can say that we choose one that is perfect in every manner. अगर हम उस चीज की बात करें तो वैसे तो सभी लड़के बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं, बट हैंडसम भी लग रहे हैं, और अगर आप चाहो तो मैं ब्यूटीफुल भी बोल सकती हूँ। बट अगर हम बात करें सिलेक्शन की, ठीक है, तो the award goes to as a Mr. Christ, Harsh. Say something.
Yeah. Since you are selected as Mr. Christ,
and today some new results we are by Haribo. Thank you very much.
फिर भी कुदरत का निज़ाम है कि किसी नतीजे पे पहुंचना होता है। इतने सारे बच्चों में से किसी एक जरूरी भी है कि डिसीजन तो देना ही है, तो सारी लड़कियां बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारी लग रही हैं, लेकिन उनमें से खास एक लड़की जो है अपनी साथी सोनाली शर्मा बोल सकते हो, लेकिन ये बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही है, खूबसूरत के साथ बहुत प्यारी लग रही है।
मेरे को तो विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि इसको चूज किया है इसके लिए। इट्स सो शॉकिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने मेरे को ये चीज दे के मेरे को बहुत खुशी हो रही है। आई एम फीलिंग सो प्राउड। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah.
Hey, why are you sitting alive?
I don't want to sit with these students. They are always disturbing me in my studies.
You are not a special. Please take your seat.
Globalization is the globalization of globalization, which is known as globalization.